Hey there, and welcome to the channel. If you're new to Google Docs or looking to brush up your basics, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to cover the essential functions you need to get started and boost your productivity. So let's dive right in. First, let's open Google Sheets. Head to sheets.google.com and click the blank spreadsheet to start a new sheet. This is your workspace where you can input and analyze data. At the top, you'll see the menu bar with the options like File, Edit, View, and more. The A1 cell in the top left corner is your starting point. Now let's format our data. So imagine you're tracking your expenses. So we have this data such as rent 800, groceries 200. Highlight the cells and use the toolbar to adjust the text alignment, font size, or even add a currency format by clicking the $ icon. Now for the fun part, functions. Let's explore the basic functions but powerful ones. So first would be sum. In cell B3, type equals sum B1, B2 and hit enter. This adds the numbers in cell B1 and B2, giving you a total. Want to find the average? Type equals average B1, B2 and this calculates the mean of the numbers in your selected range. And that's it for today. With these basic functions and tips, you're ready to start using Google Sheets like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. See you in the next one.